In this video I'll show you how to auto-start any program while booting on Mac. First open up Setting. Then go to User and Groups. Then select User. Once you select, click Lock icon to unlock. Enter your password and click Unlock. Then go to Login item and click plus sign. Now you can select any program you want to make auto start. You can also select multiple programs at once. Once it's done, click the lock button. Now you successfully made programs auto start. From now on, all programs which you selected will auto start while booting up Mac. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please drop a like, hit the subscribe button and share with your friends.